here's an app called N26, load your bank, and then you can just tap to get it, double click to install. Bank anywhere with your phone, so the bank you allow, open your account in 8 minutes, 100% mobile, 100% secure, fully licensed bank that gives you complete control of finance on your phone. Your bank your way, discover N26 crypto, free cash withdrawals, savings, international money transfers, and all of that. So this, one of those mobile banking apps. It says it's Europe first 100% mobile bank. Over 8 million customers in 24 countries trust N26 to save, spend, and manage their finances on the go. So just open up the app, and then you can instantly open an account from the phone, I guess. So just tap get started, accept the cookies. So what you need to do, download the app, you did that, confirm your email address, verify your identity, and then so just select country of residence, get started, just enter a first last name. Then you will need to go through some KYC, like take a photo of your identity card or residence card. Don't know if you should be a citizen or just a permanent resident in that country, and then just proceed with instructions where you would be able to create the account.